And the U.S. Federal Reserve has held interest rates steady at 5.25% to 5.5%, citing persistent inflation pressures and a slowing economy. Now, while the market expected no move this week, all eyes were on the Fed's revised projections.
Despite elevated uncertainty, the economy is in a solid position. The unemployment rate remains low, and the labor market is at or near maximum employment. Inflation has come down a great deal, but has been running somewhat above our 2% longer-run objective. In support of our goals, today the Federal Open Market Committee decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged. We believe that the current stance of monetary policy leaves us well positioned to respond in a timely way to potential economic developments.
The central bank still sees 2 rate cuts in 2025, but scaled back its easing path for 2026 and 2027 to just 1 cut each. The Fed's updated dot plot revealed the divided view, with 7 out of 19 officials now against any cuts this year. Chairman Jerome Powell said that the Fed is well positioned to wait and watch, signaling no urgency to move amid ongoing economic uncertainty.
We will continue to determine the appropriate stance of monetary policy based on the incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. Changes to trade, immigration, fiscal, and regulatory policies continue to evolve, and their effects on the economy remain uncertain.
New projections from the Fed show clear signs of stagflationary pressure ahead. GDP growth for 2025 has been revised down to 1.4%, while inflation expectations have climbed. The Fed acknowledged that uncertainty around the economic outlook has eased slightly but remains elevated. It also emphasized vigilance on both inflation and employment, its dual mandate. Now, adding political heat to Fed's cautious stance, President Donald Trump lashed out at Jerome Powell, calling him stupid and demanding a 2 percentage point cut.
It's hundreds of billions, it's even trillions of dollars that we're going to lose because of this too late. I call him Too Late Powell because he's always too late. I mean, if you look at him, every time I did this, I was right 100%. He was wrong. Maybe I should go to the Fed. Am I allowed to appoint myself, Doug? I don't know. Am I allowed to appoint myself at the Fed? I do a much better job than these people. So anyway, we should be 2 points lower. It'd be nice to be 2.5 points lower. We'd be saving $800 billion, $700 billion. That's a lot of money, right? Think of for nothing, for absolutely nothing.
Now, Trump pointed to high government debt costs, with interest payments on the $36 trillion national debt set to exceed $1.2 trillion this year. Geopolitical risks, including the Israel-Iran conflict and lingering tariff effects, further complicate the Fed's path ahead.